Hi, I'm Dr. Leo Stouter, and this is Anatomy on the Beach. Now let's look at the sutures of the skull. We see the very top is going to have a suture that's going to be going right in the middle of the skull. So this is going to be called our sagittal suture. Then in the back we have the occipital bone, meaning the two parietal bones. This is going to be creating our lambdoidal suture. The reason we call it a lambdoidal suture is because it looks like the Greek letter L, or lambda. When we look on the side, we see that we have this squamous suture. This suture is between this bone called the temporal bone and this bone called the parietal bone. You remember that squamous means flat. So this portion of the temporal bone is going to be flatter, whereas this portion of the temporal bone is going to be thicker. We call it the petrous portion, or rock-like, because this is where our ear is going to be housed, so it has to be thicker. Also, when we look in our anterior part of our skull, we see that we have this suture between the frontal bone and the two parietal bones. This suture is going to be called the coronal suture.